Uganda is a tropical paradise, straddling the equator with 2 rain seasons a year. Warm temperatures ranging from 21 to 29 degrees Celsius with various wildlife, plant life, freshwater bodies, mountains, rift valleys and rivers. It offers a rare glimpse into what can be termed as return to the biblical Garden of Eden. This excellent tropical climate allows various economic activities to flourish in Uganda, mainly agriculture and tourism, which is the second largest source of foreign exchange earnings.
Over the year, we have earned more than 1.6 billion US dollars.
Uganda's latent high tourism potential is not yet fully exploited and explored due to various impediments.
In order to do constructive business, you need a conducive business environment.
An assessment by the Netherlands Embassy, the Uganda Tourism Roadmap 2019, identified poor quality of infrastructure, especially roads, lack of appropriate skills among service providers, few tourism product packages for tourists, inadequate promotion and branding of Uganda as a prime tourism destination. If the above challenges are addressed, Uganda has the potential to be one of Africa's top tourist destinations. In a bid to realize this ambition, the Uganda Wildlife Authority has prioritized the development of cost-effective and durable all-weather road networks in all game parks. This will be realized by working closely with the Netherlands Embassy and the Dutch private sector.
We think that Uganda's tourism sector is one of the major sectors where Uganda can actually earn quite a significant chunk of income, and but in order to get there, we have to fix certain things. One of the most critical ones is improving the communication and infrastructure within the national park system.
The Netherlands Embassy, Kampala, is facilitating a business partnership between Uganda Wildlife Authority and Dutch road construction technology company, also Enschede BV. The company is the developer and owner of Roadrapid, a sustainable and cost-effective road construction technology which lasts between 5 to 10 years. This technology was developed, tested and certified in the Netherlands by Global Standards Laboratories.
Roadrapid is special because of it is an easy product, easy to handle, because the soil you have here available is so good in quality. You only have to look after you have no stones in the road, because a stone is going to the brick.
The founder and CEO of Also Enschede, Mr. Jean Koopmans, visited Uganda and held discussions with Uganda Wildlife Authority. He confirmed that Roadrapid is already being used in Tanzania, Sierra Leone and Nigeria. He confirmed that Roadrapid is the ideal solution for improving the road networks in the parks and delivered trial samples to Uganda Wildlife Authority.
I have asked the company in Holland, it is also, to supply the Roadrapid. We test it here in Lake Mburo as we have discussions with the Dutch Embassy to see if they can support us to get more of that solution as a solution to the high maintenance costs of our roads.
Dutch road technology, codenamed Roadrapid, once applied to earth road surfaces, creates cost-effective, durable water-repellent motorable road surface. Due to this trait, Roadrapid is not only user-friendly but also pocket-friendly to Uganda Wildlife Authority's constrained road maintenance budget. The technology uses locally available materials such as oil, marram and water. This roadworks process fits within the existing local production techniques and therefore easily done by local labor.
Once we have tested the soil, we start by grading, by ripping off the top layer of what? The soil. And second phase, we start what? To dig deeper, for depending on which layer. If we want a single layer which is 15 centimeters, same as 150 millimeters, we will what? The grader. Next, the disc harrower, we pass through and chop the soil until they are what? Fine. Because not all the time that we use marram. If like the soils on the road itself were not good enough, we apply marram up to a certain layer, and again the disc harrower passes through, chops the soil until they are fine. The point why we are chopping the soil to harrow it, we want it to be fine enough to absorb what? water. The water bowser will pass sprinkling what? The water, which is mixed with what? Road what? Rapid. And then compacting will begin to make the soil what? Firm.
In order to test effectiveness of Roadrapid, Uganda Wildlife Authority, the Netherlands Embassy, and also NSCAD decided to carry out a pilot in Lake Mburo National Park. Uganda Wildlife Authority engineers were trained and equipped with new technical skills on Roadrapid application.
How much Roadrapid do we need? Basically, our roads are 6 meters wide. I'm now looking at a unit of 1 kilometer, and you have the optimum requirement of 30% clay.
What we do, we need clay. If you scale it up to laboratory level, you see clay particles. And what we do with that clay particles, normally it attracts clay, we make it water resistant. So you have to rethink.
Asante sana.
Lake Mburo National Park boasts of a variety of fauna and flora. It is located 235 kilometers from Kampala, the capital of Uganda. Lake Mburo National Park was selected as a pilot site due to various factors. Located in the humid southwest Uganda, it receives 2 distinct rain seasons annually. The heavy rains of up to 750 to 800 millimeters often wash away feeder roads in the parks, impeding tourists' access and stretching the Uganda Wildlife Authority road network maintenance budget.
In Lake Mburo it is even worse because we have more clay than the normal maram kind of soil.
We are giving about 90 million in maintenance and repair of our roads.
We spend about 3.5 billion Uganda shillings annually. So it's quite a big chunk of money, and we need to find ways in which to reduce that so that we can put it into other things that are more important for conservation.
From Shara Gate, northwest of Lake Mburo National Park, runs a 15-kilometer zebra track. This is a prestigious viewing line of the famous zebras and most prominent tourist attraction of this park. It is here that the new Dutch Roadrapid technology was first tested before scaling up to other parks. Prior to these processes, special attention should be put on the road drainage.
Purely an area swampy like wetland, very bad what? Soil. It means the soils have a lot of moisture content. So in such cases, we make a decision to increase on what? The depth or the layer. Ordinarily, our layer is 150 millimeters, the first layer. But if we see need, because of what? The conditions around where we are doing the road, we increase what? The layer to 20 or 30, which is double what? Layer. That way it is strong what? Enough even to carry commercial what? To act as a commercial what? Road.
The road is ready for use after 72 hours.
Once you give the road a very good drainage, we expect this road to be in good performance for a period of 6 to 8 years.
If this technology proves durable, affordable for the national parks, it is going to be scaled up to reach out to local government and community roads.
After the Roadrapid pilot, the cost-effective Roadrapid project was commissioned by the then Minister of Tourism, Wildlife and Antiquities, Professor Ephraim Kamuntu, flanked by the Executive Director, Uganda Wildlife Authority, and the representatives of the Netherlands Embassy, Kampala.
The technology the Dutch have discovered can make the maram firm on the ground and make the road lasting longer. So if you can put 25 million per kilometer and it lasts you 10 years, this is a very cheaper option. The Ministry of Tourism, we will do everything to ensure our tourists really have customer satisfaction, they stay longer, and tourism becomes a transformative force fueling the development of our economy.
Once this is done to expectations, the environmentally friendly Roadrapid technology will be a perfect solution to create sustainable infrastructure development reduce Uganda Wildlife Authority's road maintenance costs, and improve transport with Uganda's national parks. Special thanks to all stakeholders who are working tirelessly to ensure that the Roadrapid unique application makes it to all national parks to change Uganda's face.